right here. Come on, Barney, Earth to Barney. How many of you have heard wise as an owl? Y'all heard of that before? Do you believe that? I hope you don't. Owls are so incredibly dumb. They really are. They do pretty well. But you know where they got the name of Screaming Banshee from? Anybody want to take a stab at it? Take a listen. Barney. Let the farmer go in over in Ireland to take care of his livestock. And then he hears that. But he can't see it because he can't hear the wing beats. Something begins to materialize just before his eyes. And it's glowing green. What glows in the wild green color except for the one that fell out of the local pub? How about the phosphorus that glows there? Around here, the old timers call it foxfire. Well, they collect that stuff on their plumage as they're trying to elude the farmer. Well, what happens next is that phosphorus will ignite from air moving over the wing, and as it does, it sets up that friction, it ignites, and it causes it to glow green. Okay, now he's missing a lot of tail feathers, and it's because he's in molt. He's getting his new wardrobe. All birds do that, even chickens. So, this guy right here, we know he's the male, but he's 30% smaller than that, the female. If you'll take a look at his facial disc, that facial disc tells you that that's what enables him to hear your heart's beating right now, your lungs working right where you're sitting at, and the digestive fluids in your stomach. You can tell if you've eaten anything or not. Very important birds to have in the environment. 2,000 mice a year, that's not anything to sneeze at. All right, well, Barney, it's about time for you to go home because we have some other birds. So, what do you think of Barney the Barn Owl? Beautiful little bird, isn't it? Okay, so the next bird we're going to